Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade oregano oil, only way. Heat 1 cup olive oil and 2 tablespoons dried oregano on the lowest flame for about 20 minutes, keeping temperature low to avoid burning. Remove from heat, cool to room temperature, then strain through cheesecloth. Press solids to extract oil, pour into a dark glass bottle, label with date, and store in a cool place away from sunlight. I like simple setups for this method. Use 1 cup carrier oil like olive or grapeseed, 2 tablespoons dried oregano, a small saucepan, cheesecloth, and a dark glass bottle. Gently warm the oil and herb without boiling to preserve active compounds. Aim for a steady low heat and stir occasionally. Label the bottle with date and notes, and keep it in a cool, dark cabinet for up to 6 months. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fresh pick-me-up to enjoy while you prep your oils. It smells crisp and bright and easy. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Always dilute oregano oil before applying to skin. Mix 1 to 3 drops with 1 tsp carrier oil for a safe topical blend. Perform a patch test on a small area and wait 24 hours to check for irritation. Do not ingest concentrated oil without professional guidance and avoid use during pregnancy or with certain medications. Keep oil away from children and pets, and consult a healthcare provider if you plan internal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.